Hi there guys and gals, good day to each every one of you. I'm here in Santa Lucia. I'm gonna treat one of my former clients in the old spaghetti house, Cubao. So I'm gonna give them a surprise. Here's for you.
Hello!
Oh, please pick one.
Hala!
Okay lang yan kasi
Ano?
you've been so good to me before.
Ay, wow, thank you.
Guys, I want to introduce to you, madam, I forgot your name, sorry.
Mia.
Si Mami Mia from Old Spaghetti House, Cubao. So please pick one and I also have one.
Okay na.
Baby, halika ka rito.
Ay, ang
Please pick
dami
one.
drinks.
Hindi,
Okay na.
tingin-tingin tayo with your uncle na rin. Pick one. Oh,
Okay
please
na.
get another one here.
Sige, thank you.
Guys, this is Mia of the Old Spaghetti House, Cubao. And this is her daughter.
Hi. Hi.
Say hi. Sir, please come over here. This is Sir, your uncle, no?
Hello. Thank
Hi.
you. Drinks.
Happy New Year, happy changes.
Happy New Year.
Just want to give my simple token of appreciation for the kindness that you showed me
Yeah.
before.
Yes, yes.
The personalized service that you gave while I'm dining on your restaurant. Guys, they have a very good service in the Old Spaghetti House. But sad to say, their shop closed already. But they can avail in Antipolo, right?
Yes,
And
yes.
Where's the
At
other
ano?
one?
Tosh Grilla.
And then the other one is Old Spaghetti House.
Old Spaghetti House. Robinson's.
Robinson's Antipolo. So check them out. Please give my regards to your family. And where's mine? And
Thank
this is
you.
mine.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Walang
so
anuman.
much.
So greet your family and friends.
Hello, my family and friends. Say hi.
Introduce yourself, baby girl.
She's shy.
Ayun.
Okay,
Sir,
thank you.
bye-bye. Bye for now, guys and gals. So please don't forget to check my channel,
Okay,
Hendrix
okay,
ZA.
yeah,
Okay?
okay.
Hendrix ZA.
Okay, okay.
YouTube ha?
Okay, okay.
Tapos Facebook, Hendrix Abordo.
Okay, okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
So bye for now. Happy treat kings.
Okay, thank you.
Sana magkaroon pa ulit ng ano? Work.
Restaurant.
Hindi na, ano, hindi na, restaurant daw, wala. That's right. Okay.
Work talaga.
So, ano, I hope you can have a franchise na.
Wow.
The Old Spaghetti House. Okay. Guys, I couldn't forget Mamiya because she's very kind to me. She gave me discount and then some personalized service and friendly treat. Especially, who's the other one? Si
Chef Joy.
No,
Anna.
yeah. And then si Teresa.
Teresa, yes.
So you can greet Teresa.
Hello, Teresa.
So yung mga luto ha?
Yes, yes.
Are you sure ha? Baka mamaya dead na lang na ano. Okay, so bye for now.
Bye. Thank you
Oo,
again.
wala. Sana mag-pasensya niya na. It's a surprise to you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Okay,
Say bye-bye. Sir, say bye-bye.
Hey, bye-bye.
Ayun. Bye-bye.
Bye.